Hi, I'll be doing question 11 for the chapter 7 homework. And this is about the drunk pirate back in chapter 3 where the turtle is going in random directions with a fixed distance. But in this one, we were giving the angles and the distance of where the pirate's going. So all we have to do is map out his path or her path. So yeah. First, we implement the turtle settings. Next, I'll be putting the whole system in a function. Drunk pirate is moving. And I don't think we need any variables for this. Next, I'll be printing out this list of turn angles and distance that they were giving me. And I'll name that list pirate path. And now let me check if I got the numbers right. Forgot parentheses. Yep. Next, I'll be putting it in a for loop so that each pair will be, like run through, and it will continue its path. And instead of I'll be using two sets of variables since there's two numbers to be run through or be inputted. So the first variable is turn angle. Oops. And the second one is the distance. So distance. All that in parentheses in pirate path, because that's the data we're using. Next, I'll be putting in the turtle actions, so the turn angle and the walk forward. See that I can use the variables independently and not need the other one inside the parentheses. Let me check if I got everything right. Yep. It should run now. All I have to do now is to find it, call to it. With no variables. And yeah. Yeah, it's pretty small. Considering we only have 4 pairs, it doesn't go that far. Yeah. So that's all for question 11. It's pretty short. Bye.